Hi there, this is part 3 to a multi-part video. If you missed the last two, they will be in the description box down below, but otherwise, you should probably just hit subscribe. Let's get moving! Hi, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel. During this video, we are focusing on the lips. It is very important in my experience to do a reverse liner when you are doing lipstick, because it helps keep the color from bleeding to the rest of the face and is generally much cleaner. And today I'm going to show you how I do that. I am using the same concealer I've been using in my previous videos, the Maybelline New York Cover Stick. It's going to look silly at first, but hey, silly is in the eye of the beholder. Just go around the outside of your lips with your concealer. Am I lovely yet? Take your good old beauty blender and have at it. If some of it gets on your lips, that is okay. In fact, if you wish, you can make that intentional by using the Cover Stick as a primer. However, I have a lip primer, so I will not be using the Cover Stick for that today. If you accidentally applied too much concealer like I did, just continue to blend it outwards so that it's not just a weird bright halo around your mouth. Before you start applying your lip liner or lip primer, if you want to clean up your edges, this is the time to do it. You can either use a Q-tip or clean hands. I'm just going to use my hands because I make it up as I go along. If you don't have very many lip liners in your arsenal, but plenty of lipsticks, I recommend getting a lip liner that is close to your natural lip color. I am using the NYX lip liner shade Nude Pink, which is a nice pinky pink color. And I am going to try to use as sharp edges as I can where needed. Only use very short strokes. You don't need solid lines because that can just look tacky and is easy to mess up. The importance of lip liner is similar to the importance of your reverse liner with the concealer, and that is to prevent your color from bleeding out later. The importance of primer, especially if you are using a matte lipstick, is to, one, make the color stand out more, but to also protect your lips from drying out too terribly and just being uncomfortable and making the look cakey in the long run. I'm using the NYX lip primer because I just love NYX products if you haven't noticed already. You just apply it like a chapstick. The lip color that I'm applying today is, surprise, surprise, NYX! It's the Lip Lingerie shade Bedtime Flirt, because that is my nude shade. A good way to find what is your personal nude shade, I've heard two ways. First way is to use the inside color of your lip. When you pull your lip back and you see, try to get something that matches that. Supposedly, it also matches the color of your nipples. I'm not exactly going to go into a store and go, let's see if this works. No. So you want to apply from the middle outward, because if you apply around the edges, that's where most of the product is going to land, and it's harder to push it outwards. If you apply it at the edges, it just kind of sits there and it's really easy to go over the lines and it's not a good look. So that's why you want to start closer to the mouth than the line, if that makes sense. This remains true if you need to add more product. As soon as you have dipped back into your product, start from the inner part of your mouth and work it outwards. Once you've done that, make another go around with your setting powder. If you wish to apply another layer of mascara, now is the time to do it. Once again, I am using my NYX Matte Finish finishing spray, and I will apply this to my entire face and give it a moment to settle in. This is the completed look. You are free to move on to your hair and just let it go. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. The other videos are going to be in the description box down below. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see next, let me know. We are all in this together. Let's stay fabulous while doing it. Wash your hands, stay at home, stay safe. Thanks. Bye.